Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with another quick video. And I just want to talk about this money making opportunity that I've been working on now for, I want to say about 6 to 7 months. And it is really good for those who are beginners or need something that's newbie friendly. I'm going to share with you the information about the opportunity, but I'm going to also let you know some of the things that you need in order to get started. So if you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel because I will always be bringing to you information on how to make money from home online and different opportunities that I'm involved with that has allowed me to earn a full-time income from home. I'm going to also give you some of the requirements that's needed, let you know what type of skill sets you may or may not need, and not only that, how to work these programs so that you can actually start earning as quickly as possible. Before we get started, I want to let everybody know that there's no guarantees. You have to put in the work in order for you to be successful online. If you want to have a thriving business and you want to see results, you have to put in the work. You have to put out some hours to the side, at least 10 hours a week, and you have to be able to do that consistently. So this is not to brag or boast. I'm just showing you basically what I know. And I'm going to also show you some income proof so you can actually see what's possible when you start working your online business. So what I would like to do is first, just talk about some of the things that you're going to need. And again, if you are new to the industry, you can actually start earning money. You just, again, have to be consistent and you have to be willing to follow instructions. Now, some people want to know, do I have to have much experience when it comes to the internet? No, you can actually learn a lot of this stuff like I did. So what's so funny about this is that when I got into the online space, I thought that I was going to be like, I was going to easily learn a lot of things, and that wasn't the case. And the reason why is because a lot of the things that we learn and that we know, we do not have to apply it to the online space, right? And the things that you think you may need to know, it's just a lot different from what you may think you need to have, okay? So I want to start off with the requirements, okay? And after requirements, I'm going to go into some income proof, and then I'm going to talk about the opportunity. But you will need to have at least 10 hours a week, and maybe a little bit more or a little bit less, depending on how computer savvy you are, okay? Not only that, you will need to have a laptop, of course, or a desktop. And a lot of times I work my business from a smartphone. So again, if you're looking for something that's newbie friendly, and you're not really into the online industry yet, you want to start out with a laptop or desktop, and then you could migrate your business to a smartphone, which is exactly what I do, because sometimes it's just easier to navigate on a laptop or desktop. And then once you know how to navigate and run your business, you can actually start using a smartphone. So most of my morning work is done on my smartphone, and then my afternoon and evening work is done on a laptop. Okay. And what I do is I break up my day between working on my smartphone and my laptop, okay? You will need to have Wi-Fi. A high-speed internet connection is really important, just because you want to be able to, open up certain tabs and be able to work as quickly as possible. You don't want it to be slowing you down because you don't have high-speed internet, okay? And the other thing that you're going to need is a reliable opportunity, which is what we're going to discuss today. And basically, once you find out if this is something that you want to do, you basically get started, and the instructions is going to be broken down for you. So what I like to do is I like to get into opportunities that are duplicatable. And the reason why is the quicker I can get you to make money, the more money I make. So I always look for opportunities that's going to be easy for people to get into and get started so that they can start seeing results as quickly as possible. So it's really important that I look for opportunities that's going to be easy for the average person to duplicate. Okay. So with that said, I want to go into, I'm going to go into my proof, right? And again, this is just to show you what's possible and what you can do when you actually start working the system consistently and you actually get into a program that works. And the reason why I decided to get into this opportunity is basically because The person that started the opportunity, I know her. She is extremely computer savvy, but not only that, she's been in the network marketing space for quite some time. And I knew that once I got into her opportunity, it was going to be here to stay. It was going to be one of those fly by night opportunities where it's here today and gone tomorrow. And that's really important as well, because you could get into an opportunity and 2-3 months from now, it's no longer here, right? We want something that's going to last, that's going to really allow us to start generating income. And we're looking to do that for the long term, not something that's going to be here today and going tomorrow. So this is my Gmail account. Every time I get a payment, I get a notification that comes to me letting me know that I have a payment that came in. And just one of the things I want to say is that the payments that I get, they're not always the same, right? And in some days, I don't make as much as I do on other days. And what I love about that is just being transparent. You're going to have some high days and low days. And I'm going to just show you what that actually looks like. And it kind of balances itself out, right? So as an example for Wednesday, which was, Wednesday is today. Today's Wednesday, right? I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little bit with time today off. Okay, but today's Wednesday. So I got my credit card settlement report. I get these every evening once the day is over, and they accumulate what I've made, or how much came through. They accumulate it and they send me a settlement report. So for today, I got a payment of $50. Okay, this is what came through from this payment processor. And the payment processor that I use is called authorized.net. That's one of the payment processors that I use that I can receive payments from. Okay. And then if we go to October 19th, I had a $300 day. So just one day ago, I had $300 that came in. A lot of people are not even making that their job, right? And that's a really easy way to start earning six figures. You get some of these coming in on a consistent basis or even more, you can start actually earning a full-time income. So if we go here, this day I didn't really make anything. This was just a $29 payment. And again, being transparent, things like that happen. And then we have here on the 17th, I had $600 come in. So what I love again is that you're earning something consistently. As long as you are working your business consistently, you'll have payments that come in. And then we'll just look at the 16th here. And here again, it's just a $29 payment. So the thing that I want to tell you is that you can run a business from home and make a decent amount of income online once you get started and you start actually applying the training. So I'm going to show you the opportunity that I'm looking at, that I would love for you guys to look at, that I've been involved with, that's been helping me to earn a decent amount of income. I made about $40,000 in about 4.5 months. So about $10,000 per month from this system. And it's been extremely consistent. And not only that, what I love about it is that people are still extremely active in this program and they're actively promoting this opportunity. And that's really good, because the more people that see it, the more chances are for people to actually get in, which is what you want, right? So here, we're going to go over the capture pages first. This is just basically what the capture pages looks like. And you don't have to worry about setting this up. Don't worry. This will be set up for you. But this is a capture page where you just capture the person's email. Once they put in their email address, it's going to go directly to their the sales page. And the sales page is basically what does the selling and selling for you. And that's what you want. You want a system that pretty much is hands-off, that can allow you to generate income when you're eating, sleeping, working, traveling, shopping, right? So this is the sales page that I had created for myself, and you will get a sales page as well. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. But here, it just gives you information. This is a short video that tells you what to expect when you get started. And then if you want more information, you can hit the get started button here. No experience required, no selling or pitching, no chances of rejection, and there's no complicated systems to set up. And it works because you are going to get complete training to get set up within 24 to 48 hours. It may take a day or two. Yes, we create the funnel for you. The sales page and everything is already created for you, and you're going to get paid 100% commissions. Payments are going to go directly to you, so you do not have to worry about someone else handling your money. Once somebody pays you, it's going to go directly to you, no middleman. Okay, so if you're looking for a way to generate a straightforward income, this is the right place, and you're looking for motivated individuals that are looking to basically follow a proven six-figure blueprint. So that means that the person that put this blueprint together has already made six figures, and they've given you everything that they have learned over the years in order for you to be successful. Okay, so again, once you're ready to get started, you hit the get started button, and this is going to take you directly to the sales page that you can use to sign up. So this is what it looks like. If you want to see exactly what's in this presentation and what it's all about, the information will be in the description below. You can click on that. You can reach out to me. Not only that, you can get started right from there, but you'll get a page that looks like this. You can connect with me on social media just by clicking this button. It'll take you directly to my social media account. And then if you want to get started, down here are the packages of the one-time fee levels that are included. So they have the $50, the $150, and a $300. These again are all one-time payments, and then there's a $25 one-time admin fee, and that's for them to set up your website. So once you send in information that they need, depending on what payment processor you're going to use, they will get this started. And you can use just about any payment processor. You have Zelle, Cash App, PayPal, Authorize.net, you have Stripe. These are like the big ones that you can use. And what you can do is really look up third-party payment processor in your area, wherever you're located, and use that, because this is a worldwide opportunity, international. No matter where you're at, you can get started with this program. So basically deciding what levels are for you. There's a chart down here where you can visually see what to expect depending on what level you get in at. And they just give you a little breakdown for each level. And then up here, if you scroll up, this just gives you the information on what's included in each package. So if this is something that you may be interested in, you want to take another look at, or you want to just write down some questions and talk about it to see where you think you'll fit in at and what you're expecting based off of what level you get in at, you can always reach out to me. Again, that's in the description below. Again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel to get more information about work from home opportunities, how to make money online. I would love to help you out, help you to get started and start to see some results within your business. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video, and I'll see you in another video at a later date. Have a great day.